Hey everyone! This is Ebony from Tshirt.ca. Today we're going to be saving the world's landfills and eliminating your need for plastic shopping bags at the same time. This DIY is super simple. All you need is an old t-shirt, any size you prefer, and a pair of scissors. We're going to start by turning the t-shirt inside out and cutting off the sleeves. You're going to want to make these cuts as straight as possible. These shoulder straps are going to become the handles for your tote bag. Next, you're going to cut off the collar. You want to make this cut deep into the shirt to give the handles shape. Now, we're going to cut the bottom of the shirt into strips. I'm cutting my strips to be about 3 inches long and ½ inch wide, but you can cut them to your own personal preference. Once you have the strips cut, you're going to tie the 2 ends of each strip into a knot. When you've finished knotting the strips, you'll see that there are some small holes in between each knot. We're going to seal these holes by tying a second set of knots. This time, tying each strip with one of the strips next to it like this. After you've got all the knots tied, tie a double knot on each end to keep it all secured. Now all you need to do is flip it right side out, and there you have it, your very own no-sew handy t-shirt tote.